In this video, we will learn how to do basic user management in Linux. Before moving on to the video, you can like the video and subscribe to the channel to support us. So let's start. Let's see the list of users first. I go to the etc. file. The parsed and shadow files in this file contain the list of users. Let's look at the parsed file. All users on the system are listed in this file. Not all users here can log into the system. No login users are system users created for background operations without logging into the system. The X symbol next to username represents the password. Here, shadow technique was used. So the password is actually stored in the shadow file, not here. We will also take a look at the shadow file in a moment. You can see the ID, group ID, user directory, and shell information used by the user here. Let's take a look at the shadow file. We can only see the information in the shadow file with the root admin. I connect to the root admin user with the sudo command. Turtle code and other users' passwords are kept here as hash. Now let's create a user. We must have admin authority to create a user. I connect to the admin user with sudo and create the turtle user. I did not enter the password again, because I had just entered the password. There is a certain timeout period in the system. Since the timeout period has not been reached yet, the system did not ask for the password again. Now I set the password of the turtle user. You can assign default values in these sections by pressing Enter. User created. We can understand this by looking at the home file. A special file has been created for the turtle user. Let's look at the parsed and shadow files again. The turtle user should be automatically added to these files by the system. Turtle user added to parsed file. Turtle user's password must be hashed and added to the shadow file. Let's check. I need to log in as an admin authorized user. Turtle user's password is stored here as a hash. We are currently connected to the system with the turtle code user. Let's connect to the system with the turtle user using the switch user command. We are currently connected to the system with the turtle user. Let's exit the turtle user. We are currently connected to the system with the turtle code user. Let's change the password of the turtle user. We can do this with the parsed command. We need admin authority to change the password. I changed the password. First, I try to log into the turtle user with the old password. Password is incorrect. Now I try to log in with the new password. I was able to connect to the system with the turtle user. I'm logging out of Turtle. I am currently connected to turtle code user. There are currently files for turtle code and turtle users in the home file. Let's learn how to delete turtle user. We can delete with userdel and R. The R command deletes the user from the system along with its files. If the R command is not entered, the user in the system will be deleted. But the files are not deleted. We need admin privileges to do this. The user has been deleted. There is no turtle file in the home file anymore. As you might expect, Parsed and Shadow files have also been updated. Let's look at the Parsed file first. As you can see, the user turtle has been deleted from the file. The deletion process also took place in the Shadow file. I recommend you to take a look at other training videos. To support us, you can like the video and subscribe to the channel.